Stop doing things the hard way. These 30 genius Amazon gadgets are here to rescue your time, boost your productivity, and make everyday life effortless. From clever kitchen tools to smart home essentials, you're about to see products that solve problems you didn't even know you had. Let's dive in. Say hello to the cutest way to exfoliate, the rabbit-shaped foot and body scrubber, designed with soft bristles and strong back suction cups. It sticks securely to your bathroom floor or wall, letting you enjoy a relaxing scrub hands-free. Its adorable bunny shape adds charm to your routine while keeping your skin smooth, clean, and refreshed. Fun meets function in the most delightful way. Crush garlic like a pro with this stainless steel garlic crusher. Its ergonomic design and heavy-duty build make mincing effortless, saving you time and mess in the kitchen. Just press, rinse, and you're done. No more lingering garlic smell on your hands. A must-have tool for quick, clean, and flavorful cooking every time. Transform your space with the mesmerizing beauty of a moving sand art picture. Watch as colorful sands slowly cascade to form stunning landscapes and abstract patterns. Each shift creates a new masterpiece. It's more than decor. It's a calming escape that relieves stress and captivates attention. Perfect for your desk, living room, or anywhere you want a moment of zen. Say goodbye to blurry side mirrors with this anti-rain mirror film. Designed to repel water, fog, and dust, it ensures crystal clear visibility even during heavy rain or humidity. Easy to apply and highly durable, it adds a layer of safety to your driving experience. Perfect for both day and night use. Stay sharp and drive with confidence. Transform your kitchen with this self-adhesive, heat-resistant, oil-proof aluminum foil. It's perfect for lining countertops, stoves, or cabinets, protecting surfaces from grease, stains, and heat damage. The waterproof material is super easy to clean and apply, giving your kitchen a sleek, modern look while making cleanup a breeze. A must-have for mess-free cooking. Say goodbye to rough, cracked heels with this electric foot callus remover. Designed with powerful rotating heads, it gently buffs away dead skin, leaving your feet soft and smooth in minutes. Rechargeable and easy to use, it's the perfect at-home solution for salon-quality pedicures anytime. Your feet will thank you. Stay hydrated on the go with this collapsible water bottle, the ultimate space saver for travel, gym, or outdoor adventures. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it's lightweight, durable, and folds down flat when empty. With a leak-proof cap and modern design, it's both practical and stylish for your active lifestyle. Add instant storage anywhere with this suction cup multi-purpose hook. It sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like tiles, glass, or mirrors. No drilling or tools required. Perfect for hanging towels, kitchen utensils, keys, or even loofahs in the shower. Its strong grip and reusable design make it a versatile and mess-free organizing solution. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked rice with this electric rice cooker. Designed for perfection, it effortlessly prepares fluffy rice every time with just the push of a button. Whether you're cooking white rice, brown rice, or even steaming veggies, it handles it all with ease. With its compact size, non-stick pot, and automatic keep warm function, it's the ultimate kitchen companion for busy mornings and quick meals. Say goodbye to plastic wrap with these silicone stretch lids. Flexible, reusable, and ultra-durable, they create an airtight seal on bowls, cans, fruits, and more, keeping your food fresh longer. These eco-friendly lids come in various sizes to fit almost any container, making them a smart and sustainable kitchen essential you'll love using every day. Maximize your workspace with the over-the-desk hanger hook. This innovative hook easily slips over the edge of your desk, providing a convenient spot to hang your headphones, bags, cables, or jackets. Its sturdy, non-slip design ensures your items stay secure and within reach, helping you keep your workspace tidy and clutter-free. Perfect for home offices, dorms, or workspaces. Maximize your storage space with the 𝐬𝐳 organizer. This rotating tray makes it easy to access spices, condiments, or pantry items with just a simple spin. Its non-slip surface keeps everything in place, while the smooth rotation ensures effortless reach. Perfect for kitchen cabinets, countertops, or even bathroom essentials. Stay organized and clutter-free with ease. Transform your cabinets with the pull-out cabinet organizer. Designed to maximize space and improve accessibility, this sliding organizer glides smoothly to bring items right to your fingertips. Perfect for storing pots, pans, cleaning supplies, or pantry essentials. It eliminates hard-to-reach clutter and keeps everything neatly arranged. Made from sturdy, durable materials, it's easy to install and build to last. Upgrade your kitchen organization effortlessly. Make perfect dumplings effortlessly with the 2-in-1 dumpling press maker. This handy tool not only cuts the dough to the perfect size but also seals it in one quick press. Its dual head design allows you to make 2 dumplings at once, saving you time and effort. Perfect for ravioli, empanadas, and more. Enjoy delicious, homemade dumplings with ease. Keep your footwear organized and clutter-free with the foldable shoe rack. Designed to maximize space, this lightweight yet sturdy rack neatly stores multiple pairs of shoes. Its foldable design makes it easy to set up, move, and store when not in use. Perfect for small apartments, dorms, or closets. Stay organized effortlessly. Upgrade your cooking experience with the electric gas stove burner. Designed for efficiency and precision, this burner provides consistent heat for faster and even cooking. Its compact design is perfect for kitchens, RVs, or outdoor cooking. Easy to clean and energy efficient, it's ideal for boiling, frying, and simmering your favorite dishes. Cook smarter, not harder. Revamp and protect your living space with the L-shaped sofa couch cover. Crafted from high-quality, stretchable fabric, it fits perfectly over your sectional, safeguarding it from spills, stains, and daily wear. Its non-slip design ensures it stays securely in place, while the soft, breathable material adds comfort and style. Perfect for a quick living room refresh. Streamline your kitchen prep with the peeler with trash can. This innovative tool not only peels fruits and vegetables effortlessly with its sharp stainless steel blade but also catches all the scraps in its attached mini trash can. Say goodbye to messy countertops and constant cleanup. Peel and dispose of waste in one simple step. Perfect for quick, mess-free cooking. Stay hands-free and focused with the slim running waist belt. Designed for comfort and convenience, this lightweight belt securely holds your essentials, phone, keys, cards, and more, without bouncing or shifting during your run. Its sleek, adjustable fit ensures comfort, while the water-resistant material protects your belongings from sweat and rain. Perfect for jogging, hiking, cycling, or workouts. Experience hassle-free movement with everything you need within reach. Unleash your creativity with the Fruits carving tool set, perfect for parties, gatherings, or simply elevating your everyday meals. This set includes precision tools designed for carving, slicing, and sculpting fruits and vegetables with ease. Create stunning garnishes, fruit bouquets, and intricate designs that impress your guests. Made from durable stainless steel, each tool is sharp, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Transform ordinary produce into edible art and make every dish a masterpiece. Keep your pipes clog-free with this bathroom drain sink strainer, designed to catch hair, debris, and soap residue before they go down the drain. It prevents blockages effortlessly. Made from durable, rust-resistant material, it fits most standard sinks and tubs, making your bathroom cleaner and maintenance-free with minimal effort. A small tool with big impact. Maximize your space with this self-adhesive corner shelf, a sleek solution for organizing your bathroom, kitchen, or any tight spot. With strong adhesive backing, it installs easily without drilling or tools. Its waterproof and rust-resistant design makes it perfect for storing toiletries, spices, or small gadgets. The modern, minimal look blends with any decor, while the clever corner design saves space and adds functionality. An effortless upgrade for smarter, cleaner living. Upgrade any space instantly with this self-adhesive flexible mirror sheet, lightweight and easy to apply. It sticks to walls, closets, or doors without nails or tools. Its bendable design allows smooth application on curved or flat surfaces, a perfect decorative and practical solution for home, gym, or dorm use. Say goodbye to bulky drying racks with this suction cup retractable clothesline, designed for convenience and space saving. It easily attaches to smooth surfaces like tiles, glass, or metal. No drilling required. Its strong suction ensures a firm hold, while the retractable design lets you extend it when needed and neatly store it when not in use. Whether you're traveling, living in a compact apartment, or just need a temporary drying solution, this clothesline is a game changer. It's ideal for drying towels, delicates, baby clothes, or even swimsuits. Lightweight yet durable, it brings efficiency and functionality wherever you go. A must-have for smart living. Tackle hard-to-reach spots with ease using this bendable multifunctional cleaning brush. Its flexible design lets you bend and shape it to clean around corners, tight gaps, and awkward angles effortlessly. Perfect for window tracks, bathroom crevices, kitchen sinks, and even car interiors. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the durable bristles scrub away grime and dirt with precision. It's the ultimate cleaning companion for a spotless home with minimal effort. Maximize your kitchen space with this over-the-sink dish drying rack. Designed to sit securely above your sink, it lets your dishes air dry directly into the basin. No mess, no fuss. With dedicated slots for plates, bowls, utensils, and even cutting boards, it keeps your countertops clutter-free, rust-resistant and durable. It's a sleek and space-saving solution for modern kitchens. Light up your space the smart way with this motion sensor LED light, perfect for closets, stairways, cabinets, hallways, or even bathrooms. It automatically turns on when it detects movement and shuts off after a few seconds of inactivity, saving energy effortlessly. The soft yet bright illumination ensures visibility without hurting your eyes, especially during nighttime. Its sleek, wireless design makes installation a breeze. Just stick it anywhere you need instant lighting. Whether you're reaching into a dark drawer or walking through the hallway at night, this motion-sensing light adds safety, style, and serious convenience to your everyday routine. Slice like a pro with this Mandoline slicer, your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless food prep. Whether you're cutting veggies for salads or slicing fruits for snacks, this tool offers precision and speed with adjustable thickness settings. Its sharp stainless steel blades ensure uniform cuts every time, while the safety guard keeps your fingers protected. Say goodbye to uneven chopping and hello to kitchen efficiency. Say goodbye to clumpy drinks with this self-stirring mug. Perfect for coffee, hot chocolate, protein shakes, or any beverage that needs a quick swirl. This mug does the mixing for you at the press of a button. No spoon, no problem. Its spill-resistant lid makes it great for travel or office use. A fun, functional gadget that blends convenience and novelty in every sip. Upgrade your kitchen organization with this kitchen storage cabinet that blends style and functionality effortlessly. Designed with spacious compartments and adjustable shelves, it offers ample room for your cookware, groceries, or small appliances. Its sleek and modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, while helping you keep everything neatly tucked away and easily accessible. A smart solution for clutter-free living. Thanks for watching. If you found something you love, hit that like button and subscribe for more genius gadgets that make life easier, smarter, and a lot more fun. See you in the next one.